Eric in 4, Brian 5, Joe McEwen in 6, Robin 7, and Justa in 8. All right, Marshall, find your spots.
It's kind of a weird spot.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Take it easy on us,
6. We're still missing.
Well, my buggy, AMain, didn't go too well. You never know.
We missing. Oh, just Ferguson. So if we need to at least get one more volunteer to cover for Justa too.
Transponder.
Somebody in the middle there. Oh, thank you, Robert. You got it covered. Alrighty. Looks like our marshals are ready. Drivers are ready.
Good luck.
We're going to go on the sound of the tone in less than 5. Clean, come on, let's see it. Let's do it. Here we go. Great train. Love it.
First.
Yes.
Third. Fourth. Fifth.
Right there. That's the way to start the race. All right, we'll turn to try to look for the opening on Clay. Clay's shutting the door. Trying to keep up the little tack. Little tack pulling away.
6. 7. First. Second. Third.
We're a little control going over that one.
6. 7.
Oh, it might be those for a tumble through the sweeper. It's going to like Eric move up into that number 3 spot. Eric just waiting for his opportunity.
6. 7.
Trying to chase down
First.
Joe Lintack. That's straightaway apart now.
Third.
IQ now trying to chase down Eric, but he's got Brian right on his heels.
First. Second.
Right along with him. 14-7.
Fourth. Fifth. 6.
We are 130 now. 330 to go. 130 down. 330 to go.
First. Second.
Alright. Two leaders, red with white wheels. Number 2, red, white, and blue. Eric in the number 3 spot.
7. First.
Purple, blue, and white. Trying to chase him down, doing his best. You're coming up with your Robert.
I'm knowing.
6. First. 7. 7.
Thanks, Joe.
Fourth.
We are halfway. 230 down, 230 go, 230 down, 230 go.
First.
Lintack on fire.
7.
Clay's trying to close the gap a little bit. 2.3 seconds separating Clay. Joe Lintack. Mikey Laturio really putting the pressure on Eric right now. That is the battle. We are still 10 seconds separating Eric and Mikey Laturio.
7. Third.
Going down the straightaway. Eric in that blue and white. Mikey white, green and red.
First. 6.
Oh no, Clay. What was this going to give? Joe Lintack a little bit of breathing room.
Third. Fourth.
That is number 2.
First.
Right here.
6. Second. 7.
We're at 330 down, 130 go, minute 30 left in the master block. Eric still rolling off Mikey.
Fifth.
Oh, Mikey must have been a little bobble. Give Eric some breathing room.
7. 7. Third.
Spot there.
Fifth. First. 6. 7. 7.
Oh, yeah. 3, 4, 5, battling it out.
First. 6.
Ooh, and Eric gained a ball there. That let Mikey Material move up into that number 3 spot. With Ryan right on his heels.
Third. Fourth. Fifth. First.
25 seconds to go.
6. Second.
That is a battle
7.
for position 3, 4, 5. Only got 15 seconds left.
Fifth. First.
Bumper to bumper, 3, 4, 5. Mikey Material, Eric Beekman. Oh! Ryan trying to take the inside.
7.
Comes up over the top of Eric. They hang on and they're going to go around to one more. Oh, Eric and Ryan got caught by the bell.
Nicely, Joe.
Thanks.
Dang it.
Second.
Just Mikey Material and the finish.